Good evening, I'm Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First the headlines. Much awaited transfer of Brahma of the Chaturdha Murti to be performed tonight. Old idols to be buried at Koile Vaikuntha. Wood and Civil Supplies Department in trouble after finding more beneficiaries under Food Security Act than prescribed. 3 college girls injured in water shoot mishap at Nico Park in Bhubaneswar undergoing treatment at Capital Hospital. Indian spinner Pragyan Ojha in Bhubaneswar says he would make all-out efforts to make a comeback to Team India. And 3 days after release, Tarang's Gopaheli Bisata running to packed theatres and sending cine lovers into ruptures across the state. Now the details. The much-awaited transfer of Brahma of the Trinity along with that of Sudarshan will be held tonight. The divine ritual will be conducted after Puri Royal Gajapati Maharaj Divya Singh Dev marked the completion of Mahayagya at Koili Vaikuntha on the Sri Mandir premises in the holy town. The Badagrahis of Lord Balabhadra Jagannath Sudarshan and Goddess Subhadra are waiting eagerly for the auspicious moment when the Brahma will be infused into the new idols and the old ones will be buried at the same time. The Maharana servitors have almost completed the construction of the new idols. As per the tradition, the great ritual will be performed late in the night in the midst of darkness. All lights in and outside the temple will be switched off and 2 guards known as Deula Karana and Tadhua Karana will stand at Singhadwar.
सेदिन राति पूरा पुरी सहर विद्युत काठ बनी केवल मंदिर भितर एवं मंदिर चतुर्पार्श्व जो अंचल अच्छी से अंचल केवल अंधकार रखा एवं दैत्यापति सेवायत माने राति प्राय 8टा 9टा बेलू श्रीमंदिर मध्य प्रवेश करने आमर जो कार्यक्रम स्थिर कराई ब्रह्म परिवर्तन सब कम सारिकी विभिन्न गुप्त नीति सारिकी से नेक्स्ट डे सकाळ बारी.
Meanwhile, world-famous sand artist Padma Shri Sudarshan Patnaik created a sand sculpture depicting transfer of Brahma on Puri beach. He attempted to showcase various rites and rituals during change of Brahma through his artistic form. Food and Civil Supplies Department had landed in fresh trouble in implementing the Food Security Act in the state after it found more applicants than the prescribed figure set by the centre. The problem cropped up in 2 districts, 2 civic bodies and 76 blocks in the state, due to which the department has shot up letters to concerned district collectors to trace the real beneficiaries. Sources said the centre had directed the states to include 82% of the total population in rural areas and 56% in urban areas under the new act. However, the state government wondered at the registration figure in some districts. As many as 107% people of the total population in Nayagarh district have registered themselves under the act, while it is 105% in Kendrapada district. Besides, more than 100% people have enrolled in 76 blocks and 2 urban bodies. The families who do not deserve to get the ration card have been directed to withdraw their applications, failing which they would face criminal cases, official sources said. Similarly, the government employees, those applied to get the benefit, have been ordered to file affidavits in this regard.
आमर जो एक्सक्लूजन क्राइटेरिया अच्छी सेथिरे को मान को एक्सक्लूड करा जीवो से संपर्क रे क्लियर टर्म्स रे एक कथा कुआ जाई से 8टी शर्तावली ठीक भाव रे किबळी भाव रे परिपालन करा जीवो सेति पई सरकार एबे देइछंती गोटे directives जिलापाल मानकु देइछंती.
Raja celebrations turned sour for 3 college girls who were injured while riding the water chute at Nico Park in Bhubaneswar yesterday. The girls who tripped from the ride were rushed to Capital Hospital and the critically injured one was put on oxygen support. They are the students of Ramadevi Women's College and hail from Niladri Vihar area of the city.
बर्तमान भी तो टीम लगी कौन एक्चुअली भीतर कौन टा फॉल्ट होती कारण ऑपरेशन तो जमी चेकअप मिनिमम मेंटेनेंस डेली मेंटेनेंस दुर्भाग्यजनक ना हठात आज गोटे भल दिन में आम भी आम गोटे कस्टमर नर्भस हवा से कौन हवा नवा आम जो नर्भस से निश्चय आमको गोटे दुख देम चेष्टा कर फैक्ट फाइंडिंग चेष्टा कर.
A day after making an early entry into the state, the southwest monsoon further advanced into more areas in southern parts of the state. The southwest monsoon, which had covered entire Malkangiri district after entering the state on Saturday, got further activated covering Nabarangpur and Koraput districts, the regional meteorological center in Bhubaneswar said. Several parts of Nuapada, Kalahandi and Raigada districts were also covered by the monsoon and experienced rains. The monsoons would be active across the state in the next 2-3 days, a weather official said. Commissionerate Police today busted a bike theft racket and arrested 5 including 3 engineering students allegedly involved in the crime here. 4 bikes and a Scorpio Jeep were seized from their possession. All the accused will be produced in court today, police said, adding investigation is in progress to find out more involvement. Sources said that, acting on a tip-off, a special police team arrested one of them recently. Later, they unearthed the gang after interrogating him and raided different hideouts to nab others. All offices of Airport Authority of India and Director General of Civil Aviation, which are currently functioning from different parts of the city, are going to operate under one roof soon. The multi-storied integrated office complex, whose construction work is in progress near Biju Patnaik International Airport, will house all these offices and provide service to people at one point. The highly tech-savvy building, which is waiting for the final touch, is being constructed over a sprawling 2,461 square meter of land with an investment of Rs 12 crore. More than 100 employees can work together at the same time in the building. It would have latest firefighting equipment and different chambers for top officials.
इसका मेन पर्पस ये है कि जो भी लोग एयरपोर्ट से संबंध रखते हैं और उनको एयरपोर्ट में काम करना है, उनके लिए ये एक सिंगल पॉइंट रहेगा, सिंगल विंडो जो गवर्नमेंट की प्लानिंग है, तो उनको जगह जगह भटकना नहीं पड़ेगा, सभी लोग वहाँ आपको मिल सकते हैं. और डीजीसीए का भी ऑफिस वहाँ शिफ्ट किया जाएगा. तो अभी डीजीसीए का ऑफिस बाहर है, तो वो एयरपोर्ट में आने से लोगों को सुविधा होगी.
Indian left-arm spinner Pragyan Ojha will make all-out efforts to draw attention of national selectors in first-class cricket for a comeback. Attending the Cricketer of the Year prize distribution ceremony organized by Maruti Estate Sahit Sporting in Bhubaneswar, Pragyan said yesterday he'll do everything what is required to come back to the Indian team. Notably, Board of Control for Cricket in India had banned him from any form of competitive cricket for his suspected bowling action. However, he rectified it later in Chennai.
फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट कोई भी कंट्री रे फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट बहुत इंपोर्टेंट आ 4 डे फॉर्मेट है सबुठू माने क्रुशियल जिनस जोटा कि गोटे क्रिकेटर को बनाए आ मु सही जिनस रे अब फोकस करिया पई चेष्टा कर. कमबैक टा केबे होबो मु जानिनी किंतु ता पई जो प्रिपरेशन करिवार अछि ता पई कि जो माने जो प्लेटफॉर्म रे परफॉर्म करिया पई अछि ता पई कि मु प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट ऑलरेडी करि देछि.
The new governor of Jharkhand and veteran tribal leader from Odisha, Draupadi Murmu, arrived in Bhubaneswar yesterday on a 2-day visit. The state BJP leaders welcomed her at Raj Bhavan. Later, Murmu attended a number of programs in Cuttack and met her Odisha counterpart S.C. Jamir. It was her first visit to her state since she assumed office of the governor of Jharkhand. The clamour for setting up of the proposed Indian Institute of Management in Sambalpur reverberated after the Western Region People's Forum came together, raising the issue again. The forum demanded that the Human Resources Development Minister should declare the locations for permanent and temporary campuses of the Premier B School within a week. Besides, the outfit demanded that Chief Minister Navin Patnaik, who is currently on Delhi visit, discuss the matter with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and HRD Minister Smriti Zubin Irani. Meanwhile, the Technical Education and Training Department has expected a central team to visit the state soon to finalize the location for IIM Odisha. A man was shot at by unknown miscreants over a land dispute yesterday under Hatibari police limits in Sundargarh district. The incident took place when Kalyan Kandulana of Gopapur village was returning to home and 2 bike-borne miscreants opened fire at him from behind. Kalyan sustained injuries with his waist. On being informed, police reached the spot and shifted him to Rourkela Government Hospital. A manhunt has been launched to nab the miscreants, police said. Various cultural organizations yesterday celebrated Pohili Raja, the first day of the 3-day-long Raja festival, by organizing different programs in Bhubaneswar. Cultural organizations like Masal organized various dance programs at Rabindra Mandap apart from making makeshift stall with special cakes and sweet beetle. The traditional dance of small children with the tune of Roger songs enthralled the audience in the packed auditorium. Similarly, another organization, Nritya Pratibha, performed Odissi and various village folk dances at Bhanjakala Mandap. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has wished the people of Odisha on Raja festival through social networking site. He wished happiness and prosperity in everyone's life on his Twitter page. Raja is a 3-day agrarian festival dedicated to Basumata or Goddess Earth, celebrated mostly in coastal Odisha. Tarang Cine Productions' second venture, Gapahili Bisata, is witnessing packed theatres amid screaming and clapping of filmy fans across the state even after 3 days of its release. In view of the Raja festival, the production house released its second venture on June 12th, bringing star couple Anubhav Varsha together once again. According to reports, Odia movie buffs are finding Anubhav so entertaining that they are applauding his performance throughout the flick. Similarly, his actress wife Varsha's job is completely adorable on screen. Besides the lead pair Mihir Das and Priyanka, who were seen in key roles, have just done justice to their characters according to the cinegoers. The movie has been directed by K. Murali Krishna, while Prem Anand has scored the music and Arun Mantri, Nirmal Nayak penned its lyrics.
Village Norjori college life सब story भीतर भल लागिला किछि सिखिया को मिली छि बे भल लागिला.
Before wrapping up the headlines once again, much awaited transfer of Brahma of the Chaturdha Murti to be performed tonight, old idols to be buried at Koile Vaikuntha. Wood and Civil Supplies Department in trouble after finding more beneficiaries under Food Security Act than prescribed. 3 college girls injured in water shoot mishap at Nico Park in Bhubaneswar, undergoing treatment at Capital Hospital. Indian spinner Pragyan Ojha in Bhubaneswar says he would make all-out efforts to make a comeback to Team India. And 3 days after release, Tarang's Gapahili Bisata running to packed theatres and sending cine lovers into ruptures across the state. Thank you for watching. Good night.